Hello dear Taurus, welcome back to my channel, and this is your May month's first week's exclusive love reading plus career reading. So if you're looking for a monthly reading, that will be uploaded on my channel on Mondays and Tuesdays, so please bear with it. Let's start with your weekly reading. Let's see how your first week of May is going to be. Let's start with your career. Your cards are already out. If you would like to know more about any personal reading, rituals or counseling session with me, please stay tuned till the end. April 27th is coming, which is a perfect time for rituals. So if you would like to know more about it, you'll have to stay tuned till the end. Let's begin. You have got the One of Stars and the Emperor card for your career, which are very beautiful cards. So these cards tell me either you could be dealing with an Aries Sun Moon Rising, or you could have an Aries Sun Moon Rising in your own birth chart. Now I do see you getting some sort of victory and success. Probably you have been facing a very difficult time in the past. This is the time where you will find yourself victorious, achieving success, getting promotions, getting clients, customers, bonus, right? All sorts of success that can come your way, whether materialistic or financial. I also see that you will be put on a very high position, a position of authority, because the Emperor card has come. So it could be that if you are in a business, if you're already doing business, you will find a lot of financial stability coming your way if that was tough in the last few months or weeks. And if you are in a job, you will be promoted to a better position, okay, where you will have authority, or probably people you could give orders to, right? Your respect will increase, your authority will increase, your position will increase. Also, this is a card of fatherhood, so it could be that your father has an influence in your job or career in some way or the other, right? Let's talk about your personal life, what's happening there, because there are too many cards that came out. It's the Prophetess, it's the Seven of Stairs, it's the Nine of Moons, and the Moon card. Now with these cards, I see that you are an intuitive being. Intuition card has come twice. So if even if you are not, let me just tell you that first week of May, you will be very intuitive. Okay, your intuition will guide you through and through. I do see that you are getting a lot of attention, like people are talking about you, looking at you. So there is some sort of celebration that you're doing, some sort of celebrity status that you have right now. And that usually happens when we are getting married or engaged or ropofied, right? So definitely some sort of function is happening, and that is why you are getting that kind of attention, and the people around you are talking about you, want to be with you, want to get pictures clicked, right? But then there is something about someone which is off. You also can sense negative energies from people. So I do feel that either one or more people are giving you negative energies. They are jealous and they are not genuinely happy for you. Why am I saying this is because the Moon card here is a card of deception, deceit, that somebody is lying to you, somebody is cheating on you, hiding the whole truth from you, right? So some sort of truth can also come out in the first week of May. Also, if you think that you don't know the person very well, the one you're getting married to, please make sure that you do a background check, because probably this person could be hiding something from you, right? And if you get to know about this truth, probably you wouldn't want to go forward with this marriage. So please be very careful. And if you think this is not your spouse, this can be a relative also, this can be your own family members also, and this can be a friend also, who's jealous of your happiness and who doesn't mean well. Okay, their intentions are not very good towards you, so please be very, very careful. Do not share too much with them and try to maintain distance with the people, because evil eye is definitely there, right? So this was your reading for the first week of May. If you guys resonated with it, if you guys think this is exactly what is happening in your life, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Do comment and let me know if any of the situation resonates with you. I would love to read, like and comment on your comments, reply as in. So yes, if you would like to book any personal reading, ritual or counseling session with me, you can email me at asthasharma842@gmail.com, which is mentioned in my description box and bio, or you can directly DM me on Instagram. Also, please follow me on Instagram, because you will get all such details on a daily basis. Now, you must be wondering what is really counseling session about, which I've just started. It's like a therapy session, the guidance and mentorship session for people who are looking for help. They're really down and out in their life and have nobody to talk to or share their secrets with, because they're afraid that if the secrets are out, then it's going to be a problem with them. So yes, you can trust me here. Anything that happens on my channel between you and me, which means either that's a reading, ritual, or counseling session, it stays top secret. So you can come share your burdens with me and I will guide you. I will also, with the help of your angels, give you a positive affirmation to do, a remedy to do, which will really help you keep positive and change your situation. Also, I have different packages for love situations, people who are single, people who are looking for career advice, and who are into friendship. Every package will also come with a free remedy. Apart from that, my basic and cheapest reading will be personal reading, where you can choose your questions and choose how many questions you want, and the cheapest reading, it starts at 170 rupees only. So guys, please check out the various services. April 27th is coming. That's a perfect time for rituals. I have two kinds of rituals available. One is blockage removal ritual and one is bay leaf manifestation ritual. So if you are looking to book for a ritual, then please do book it now so that you can perform it on April 27th itself. It's a powerful time to manifest and remove blockages from your life because the positivity is in the cosmos. It is a time of full moon. Okay, please use these powers correctly for your advantage. It will be very good for you. And thank you for watching my channel. And I would look forward to hear from you. Take care of yourself and see you soon. Bye bye.